Good evening, guys. Today we'll discuss about the environmental ethics. So we'll know first of all we have to know the basic definition of ethics. Ethics is nothing but a branch of knowledge that deals with moral principles. We'll call it as an ethics. And one more definition is nothing but set of principles or set of guidelines that are to be followed by the human beings is nothing but that is also ethics. Now coming to this environmental ethics, what exactly environmental ethics is nothing but how the humankind is going to be interact with the environment is the generalized definition. And if you see in-depth definition of this, so environmental ethics refers to the issues, principles, guidelines relating to human interaction with the environment. So issues, principle, guidelines, how these things will be interact with the environment by the human mankind is known as environmental ethics. Coming to one more definition, environmental ethics is nothing but it is the discipline that deals with moral relationship between the human beings and environment. This is also the same definition. In this case, so this is the definition. Coming to this function of environment is nothing but environmental is the life supporting system for all human beings. So without environmental issues we cannot be survive. So that is most important thing for the mankind or for human beings. In this case, we are having two categories. One is anthropocentric worldwide, and another one is ecocentric worldwide. In the anthropocentric worldwide is nothing but we are mainly talking about the human beings, and in the ecocentric worldwide we are talking about the environmental or earth. So, in coming to this anthropocentric worldwide is nothing but in the center we are going to place the man or human beings and will give more priority to the human beings rather than the rest of the species. So in this case, in the anthropocentric worldwide we were talking about that mostly we will discuss about the human beings, and will keep the human beings in the center and giving more priority because man is capable of managing the man is capable of controlling the planet earth. So humankind or mankind can able to control the planet, so we are giving more priority in this anthropocentric worldwide. Coming to this ecocentric worldwide, and we are giving not only the species, not only the human beings who are living in the who are living on the earth, so the rest of the species is also there. And in the environmental, in the ecocentric worldwide, in this case the environmental not only the environmental resources which is available not only for mankind, the remaining also is there for the other species who are living on the earth. So these are the two categories described mainly. One is based on the mankind, second one is based on the environment. Coming to this, we are having environmental problems. So what are the problems we are having? Why these environmental problems are continuously goes on increasing? So normally, as part of we say that anthropocentric worldwide is nothing but we are giving the mankind more, we are giving the human beings keeping at the center and giving more priority, and the mankind can able to control the things on the planet. The same thing, the mankind is continuously devastating the nature by using, first one is deforestation, second one is pollution, third one is water scarcity, and fourth one is land degradation, and fifth one is population growth and urbanization. So these are the problems which are occurred continuously, and all these things will be done by the humankind or mankind. So if you control all these things, if these are the some part of this are the natural resources, if we control all these things we can able to save the environmental issues or environmental problems. Coming to this, we are having some ethics. If you see the guidelines, some important guidelines known as earth ethics or environmental ethics. So these are the basic ethics we have to know. That first one, we should love and honor the earth since it has blessed you with life. So we have to love and we have to honor the earth since it has blessed with your life, and should not hold yourself above other living things, and we should not nothing but we should not control or we should not hold the other species in our hands. So we have to live and let them live. That is the meaning of that. and you should not waste your resources on destructive weapons. If you see the best example, the China people are doing what the China people are doing. They are destroying the natural resources, and they are mainly concentrating on the biological weapons and destroying the humankind or mankind or all the categories. So whatever the resources we are having, whatever the natural resources we are having, we should not waste those resources on destructive purpose. And next one, we should keep each day scared to earth and celebrate the changing of its seasons. So we continuously seeing that automatically each and every day we are having different seasons we are having, and we have to enjoy and we have to celebrate the seasons based on the scared to earth. And we should be grateful to the plants and animals which nourish you by giving the food. So we have to thankful to the plants, and we have to thankful to the animals, so that those things are giving food for us. So what are the solutions we are having? So these are the solutions. If you see solutions, first of all, we have to over exploitation of biodiversity and resources should be immediately stopped. So biodiversity, we have to over exploitation of biodiversity should be controlled, and the resources which are there, we have to immediately we have to stop that one. And second category is nothing but soil degradation must be stopped. So continuously the soil degradation is going to be done, so those things has to be stopped immediately. And reduce the population poverty. So that is also one thing which is the solution for that. And next one is increase the economic growth of our country. If we do all these things, then continuously we can able to increase the economic growth of our country. These are the few solutions. There are so many number of solutions, but these are the few solutions where we can control the environmental problems by using this ethics. Thank you.